Hello, Michael.
Hello.
Hey, Angie.
Hi.
Hello. Let's give it one more minute. I assume, Michael, you're here for um your project, right? Your project that we were doing. We were checking on the commuters, right? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, there was a few things that happened. So
Okay.
I'll put the link in the chat.
Yeah.
We we had quite a few unsigned commits
I
from
see.
the Hashgraph Online contributors, and what we decided is we'll just recreate it as a new GitHub repository, and we'll pull in all the original content, and then we'll do like a
Yeah.
split slash divergence publicly once we've moved everything over.
Yeah, I think that's probably gonna be the easiest way to go. I think we had a similar situation in which repo was that? It was the new standards, identity standards repo where the team pushed the developer branch, and then on their main they were gonna cherry pick from their developer branch into main. So I think starting the main fresh will be probably easier to avoid any issues.
Yeah, exactly. We were thinking about, okay, maybe we could just cherry pick, but it's a deep down rabbit hole. This,
Yeah. So given that, let me check. Do we have still your commit from governance? I'm checking. Renee. Okay, this is a different one. Higher consensus specifications. Is it this one? Yeah, I think yeah, this is the one where we're still um let me post it in the chat. This is the one that we were working on, right?
yep. Yeah, that's it. Let me close
Okay.
my here. I've added some of the folks from Hashgraph Online in here, but there's going to be more. But we can add them later.
Okay, so you added, okay. And what's the problem with this? I think Sophie also commented on this. Wait, let me rebase for now. Hopefully I don't mess up the signatures because I think I've been having a little bit of issues whenever I do a rebase like that and the signatures. Oh no, it didn't. And then let me go back to the comment. Hi, Jessica. Is it necessary to rebase? The Python SDK triage team does include a few of the members is claiming. Oh, yeah. It's it gets um Claude and gets wonky whenever you don't rebase. So that was her main concern. And yes, I got my signatures messed up. Let me go get my YubiKey, and I'm gonna have to push again manually. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure why that happens whenever I last time I he expired and then I updated it, and every time I do a rebase via the UI, uh I get issues with my signatures. So let me do this manually.
when I click the button to pull in the base branch, it actually that error that Sophie flagged went away earlier.
That you also see the same error with the that Sophie's describing?
No, it went away after I clicked merge
Oh,
from branch. Yeah,
yeah. Yeah, that error happens whenever the change is not rebased.
yeah.
So yeah. Okay, so yes, let me see. Headline. Okay, so everything looks good here, I think. And then why is it telling me that there's issues with the signatures? Um, did you rebase the last time or did I did? Oh, I did. I did rebase it and then I cannot see it here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to do a rebase on them. Get rebase minus.
I just did a clean PR on my side. Maybe that'll work.
Okay, let me know if you push it because I wonder why my first commit. So it's my commit and then there's two of your commits, but I'm just resigning my earlier commit. Git commit. Um, okay, so this one is okay, resigned and then give rebase. Let's continue. And okay, I'm gonna push to the branch again.
It's
Okay.
still being wonky. I made another PR that looks good.
Oh, oh, okay. I was it your or was it my?
Oh no, the one that you're looking at right now is your PR. But I made a fresh PR if it's still giving you
Oh, oh no
any.
no no. I just repushed with my commit. I had to do a wonky rebase because I think my commit was earlier than yours. So I think it looks good now. Can you double check the original PR, the 452? Let me just make sure the Clarden validation looks good. So we're going to be adding consensus specification maintainers, consensus specification committers, and the team, the repo itself, our consensus specification. If everything looks good to you, then I think we should be good.
Should it be Hiro consensus specifications and an S for the team name? Or
Specifications, let me see.
or is it usually singular?
Let me see how the project proposal had it. Maybe it was my mistake. Um, higher specification, higher consensus specifications. Yeah, yeah, you're right.
C.
Let me fix that.
Okay.
So yeah, the teams did have the S specification, hierarchy consensus specifications, but the hierarchy specifications. Good catch.
Oh,
Specification.
yeah, I wasn't sure.
No, no,
That's
no, you're right. Uh, it commit minimum minus minus S, and then fix repo name, and let me push again. Okay, I just pushed the fix.
very
And
good. It's got an S.
sorry?
Yeah, yeah, I could see it's got the S and it's signed and verified.
Okay, there it is. Okay, so I think we're good, right?
Yep. Yeah, we're
Okay.
good.
Okay, let me go ahead and approve this. Let me just check. Do we have anybody else in the call? Oh, no, it's just us. Okay. Ah, I cannot approve my own changes. Okay, let me see if Andrew can join us.
Yeah, that would be great because I think we probably
Yeah.
have some follow-up questions anyway.
Okay.
And then I'll close my extra PR.
Are you by any chance available for the project transfer call? Okay. Let's wait until he joins. I think it will be good to have his sign off as well.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Angie, do you have any questions or any comments?
No, nothing from me.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Let's see. He hasn't replied to me, but hopefully he will be able to join us.
And then while we wait for him, I'll pull this up here. So this is the new repo that we made.
Okay.
Our consensus specifications. We've removed a lot of stuff. We just kept the specs themselves for the proposal. So we'll be keeping the Hashgraph Online website itself separate and figuring out how we can keep it synced to this one.
Right.
Uh, it's really just the markdown files here and then the README that gives some context on each spec. And then after this we'll do an application here as well for the index that we talked about.
Gotcha. Yeah, sounds good. And I'll help you after you have the code in. I will help you putting this um uh, through the to OS's best practices and all that stuff that is required for badging and stuff.
Do we do that after we move it into Hiero or do we do it before? Because I could do it right now. Does that have a preference?
We can do it after. I mean, it's up to you. I mean, it's whichever we I usually like to do it after because then we have some of the uh history there that we fixed that, but it's up to you.
Oh yeah, right, because then we can dogfood the process. It's
Yeah.
actually working. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, Andrew is not, let me see, or Roger. Okay, I pinged Roger as well, just in case maybe he's available. I know that Roger was having a meeting with Hendrik, but we'll see if any of them can join us. They, I'm gonna need them anyways so that they can approve the change because I cannot approve my own change.
Okay. Um, I guess while we wait for them to, I added you as an admin on
Okay.
this because I, I think I remember last time we were going down the radio, you mentioned that so that you can do the transfers. That's still the right process.
Yeah. Yeah, it's either me or Andrew or Roger, but let me see. I did remember seeing the invitation coming in. Uh, Give me 1 second. Okay, I put accept invitation.
Great. And it should be just this week, but
I'm not sure if they're gonna be able to join us. Let's give it a couple of more minutes.
okay. While we wait, what is the next steps and process? So there's merging in the config, and then what do we do after that?
So after that, we need to create the main branch for you, where you're gonna be adding your changes in. If you wanted to transfer your project as the main, rather than creating the main from scratch, um, I think Andrew and Roger need to review that the workflows are GitHub Action workflows are up to standards and enable security in your project. I think they have to also enable step security and enable um sneak scannings. And they need to make sure that the commits are signed, etc. But I think we're gonna go the route of cherry picking your changes, right?
Oh, I see. Let's see. So I actually just made a whole new, we already made a whole new repo. And I kind of figured we could transfer it over to save you.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So then in that case, yeah, I will need so what we will do is like once we get this config change merge, we will remove whatever repo got created and review yours and transfer it. But I will need I will definitely need Andrew and Roger for them to review your current repo. Um, if they're
Well,
not, yeah.
I guess a cherry pick would be fine in that case. Yeah, if I'm a maintainer on the new repo, we only have two commits in this one right now. It's just me because we
Whichever you prefer, whichever you prefer. I mean, it's up to you. But the main reason why, I mean, the cherry pick might be easier because then it assures that all your commits coming in are DCO checked and signed, etc. And if we do the transfer, we will need to review the current contents of your repo as well as workflows and anything else that you have. And
Yeah,
um,
let's do the easier path. I made the new
okay,
repo. Thought that would be the faster path. But
okay.
then, well, yeah, we'll do is we'll create it, and then I'll so once that gets merged in, it's automatically going to create a new repository inside of Hiero.
Yeah. Yes, and I will need to create the main branch for you. But yeah, if you want, I don't know if Roger or Andrew are gonna be able to join. They're not replying to me. But what I can do, I'm in the Discord chat with them, so I can get them to approve the change and then create the main branch once it is approved and merged, and I can let you know once the main branch is ready for you.
Sure. Yeah, that
Sounds good.
works. That's like the
All
easiest way.
right. Yeah, I don't want to waste a lot of time from either of you guys if we're not hearing from Andrew or Roger to join. But yeah, I can follow up with them offline and let you know.
Okay, that sounds good.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Michael, for joining, and thank you, Angie, for joining. I'll follow up with you offline.
All right. Bye.
Bye.